$175 a day for liking Facebook posts. Posts. If you know how to tweet, like a post on Facebook, or upload a video to YouTube, it's simple and will provide you with step-by-step instructions, then today's available job could be the simplest money you ever make. Job title: get paid to help businesses post content to their social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Job description: we're looking for ordinary folk from all over the world to help online companies promote their businesses through social media using their phone or tablet, both Android and iOS. You don't need to know anything about social media advertising, as this is an entry-level position and full training is provided. Pay: $35 an hour, $175 a day.